We welcome everybody. Vitacitics.com. Coronavirus health and safety tips are here. We share this information with everybody. On the general purpose of this is to protect everybody and reduce the spread of the virus. My name is Salah Ismail. I'm a pharmacist at Datranet.com, LLC Pharmacy Services, and a freelancer covering pharmacies in the state of New York. There's basic information everybody needs to know, and I think it is like an ABC. Just it's very important for all of us to know that how that works, how the virus works, how it spreads, where it goes, and how to protect ourselves and our body. It's a virus. It needs a body to go into, and it needs a platform to work in. Simply, this is like a digital electronic language, but it's true. Without a body, the virus has no way to go anywhere. It has some spikes, and it's a sort of they say that look like a tennis ball with the spikes coming in, and what determines the functionality of this virus is a kind of spikes. Some of them they go through the nose, some of them they go in the lungs, some of them go in different parts of the body. The range of the infections for the viruses goes from just common cold up to pneumonia, that includes the SARS and MERS groups. Happened a couple of years ago. It spreads by finding a body, and it goes from one body to another through contact and touch. It basically inside the body it targets the cells, and it targets the area where it kind of plays, where it replicates itself, and it starts from the nose, starts from the lung, it starts from the kidneys, wherever it settles in, it replicates itself and it grows in numbers. How to protect ourselves? This is where all the program came as level 1 or phase 1 of in the process of protecting the nations, protecting ourselves, protecting our body individually. It came into remember to wash your hands every day. We listen to this information every day from where we go in transit and whatever we do. After each transaction where we touch something outside of the environment we've been there, we have to come back and wash our hands with soap, dry them, and keep moving on. We can wear a mask to protect ourselves, or to prevent the spread of the virus from somebody else, or from the environment where we have been in. There's a distances had been enforced in the process of just like say contacting each other or getting in certain places. We have to respect that part. I mean, if you see the sign of waiting in this area, that means you just obey the laws and regulation, and keep the social distances from 6 feet to 2 meters apart. That will help also in preventing the virus from spreading. The people who really sometimes they get a common cold and it is some sort of it's a hazard, they just develop the habit of covering your coughs and your sneeze, your mouth. It's just like if you don't have a mask, that's another area you have to think about it. Just like immediately try to cover and protect the sneezing or the aerosolization of the air came out of your body, or whatever you take in and spread out should be covered. That will lower the rate of spread. Wipe down between use. I mean, most of the time it's just like a process of and I call it an in-process of disinfection from time to time. at least every half an hour, 1, 2, 3 hours in between. All the benches and all the places where people that are working in should be disinfected. And this procedure is very common basically in pharmaceutical industry. We use it in just to prevent even the common spread of any contaminants. So it is a good habit. I think it is positively, everybody has to start using it and apply it in your place, apply it at home also. Avoid shaking hand, high fives, and hugs. Definitely all any kind of touch and contact, which is for a long period of time, and even for a second, you don't know who's in the area, who's carrying the virus. It's like, it's just for the time now in the pandemic, until everything under control, we recommend avoiding shaking hands, avoiding high fives and hugs and everything. Yes, we can express ourselves in so many different ways.